This is how it will look when you're done with all your beads. This is it. This is how it will look. Very shiny. So if you want, you can do it all round. If you want, you can do it all round, but I just chose to do it like a cap sleeve form. So this is how from your material. So this is how long it is. To start off, we're going to need our needle and thread. We need your needle and thread. We're going to need our bugle beads. You need your bugle beads. You need your seed bead or sand bead. These are crystal water colored. So I've threaded my needle and thread double, just 2 strands. 2 strands. So to start off with, we'll be tacking from behind, this upper part. From behind, push your needle through the fabric. Push it back down, put your needle back down, close to where your thread is coming out of. Draw it, and then pass it back up, same place the thread is coming out of. Same place. So we're going to start picking up our beads. The way I did this so that I'll be able to get equal levels to count the seed bead, and the seed bead ought to be 36 in number. So I'll count this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. To make it 36. So we're starting by picking up the seed bead. We pick up a bugle bead at intervals. So we pick up one seed bead, pick up a seed bead, bugle bead, till we have gotten all our 36 seed bead stranded. Okay, so I'm done stringing the beads, as you can see. So to end it, we pass our needle from up, pull gently so that your thread will not tangle, and try and leave a little bit of space so that it will not be tight. The rope will not be tight. So we're going to double it up again, pass our needle from up. Now this time, before we pull totally in this loop, we'll pass our needle from behind. We're going to pass our needle from behind and pull gently and pull it tight. Now for the third time, to secure it well, we'll pass our needle through the side of the bead. you can see this. There's a thread by the side of the bead. Oh, my camera doesn't seem to be focusing. This. We're going to try pass our needle through. This loop is created. We repeat the same thing. Pull gently, push it. So now we pass our needle back through this last bead. Pass our needle through this upper bead if there will be enough space, because sometimes the bead will be too narrow to allow double passing. So we clip it. That's it. If you want to, this is an added precaution so that your bead will not unravel. You can take this fabric gum, any gum you have, you can use it, and put it at the tip of your bead to seal in the thread. Let it dry. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the bell notifications to get when I upload new videos. Don't forget to subscribe, share my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.